In a small village lived two brothers, Imran and Salman. Imran was married to a kind woman named Aisha. Salman was married to Nadia. Aisha was simple and hardworking. Nadia loved comfort, jewelry, and expensive things. After their father passed away, the two brothers divided the family property equally. Both received the same amount of land and money. At first, everything seemed fair. But greed does not stay quiet for long. One day, Nadia visited Aisha's house. She noticed that Aisha's home looked peaceful. There were flowers in the yard. Children were laughing. Food smelled fresh from the kitchen. How can she be so happy with so little? Nadia thought. Even though she had the same amount of wealth, she always wanted more. That night, she complained to her husband. "Your brother got the better land," she said. "They cheated us." Salman looked confused. "We divided everything equally," he replied. But Nadia's jealousy had already grown. Nadia decided to create trouble. She began spreading rumors in the village. She told people that Imran had hidden money before the division. Slowly, whispers began. Salman started doubting his brother. Arguments began between the two families. The once happy home became filled with tension. Because of constant fighting, both brothers stopped working together. Their crops suffered. Their business slowed down. Neighbors avoided them. Nadia felt satisfied at first. But something unexpected happened. Her own house became unhappy. Salman was stressed. Their children felt the tension. Laughter disappeared. Greed had not brought more wealth. It had brought loneliness. One afternoon, heavy rain destroyed part of Salman's crops. He had no one to help him. In the past, Imran would have come immediately. But now, there was silence between them. Nadia saw her husband sitting alone in the field. For the first time, she felt guilty. Was this what she wanted? More land? Or a broken family? That evening, Nadia walked to Aisha's house. She lowered her head and said softly, "I was wrong. I let greed control me." Aisha did not shout. She did not insult her. She simply said, "Peace is worth more than property." The next day, the brothers spoke honestly. Misunderstandings were cleared. Rumors were forgotten. Slowly, the families rebuilt trust.